Want to build income streams with NFT flipping? Here's how to step by step. First, start by creating accounts on major NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Blur, or Magic Eden, and connect your crypto wallet. Second, research trending collections using tools like Nansen, Dune, or Marketplace Analytics to spot rising projects early. Third, evaluate NFTs based on rarity, floor price trends, and community strength before buying. Fourth, buy at floor price during dips or when sellers undercut, giving you room for profit on resale. Fifth, list your NFTs slightly above the current floor price to capture fast flips or hold rare pieces for long-term gains. Also, diversify across multiple collections instead of putting all your funds in one project. Seventh, track gas fees and transactions costs, since minimizing fees helps maximize your profit margin. Eighth, stay active NFT communities on Discord and Twitter to catch insider updates and hype cycles. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.